This cordless impact wrench is really nice. I love how heavy duty it is, and it comes with everything that you need, including a really nice powerful battery and charger. It's really nice to hold. Again, it is a heavy duty piece of machinery, so I really love that about it. I feel like this is going to last for a very long time. And again, it has all the different sizes that you'll need and a really awesome carrying case as well. You have pockets here on the side for the charger and the battery, and plenty of room for all your pieces and even extras if you need, and real durable. So really love this set.